Ninh explains how to be a great listener. A lot of you people say that you're good listeners, but are you actually? I ask you this because looking like you're listening and actually listening are two completely different things. This is not listening. This is not listening. This is also not listening, and this is just weird. Listening is a skill that everyone should master, because you never know what you might learn when you listen and don't speak. Let's open up with body language. Face forward, eyes fixed on theirs, relax and face the person who you're listening to. A neutral or slightly smiling facial expression is best when listening, or try and match your facial expression to what they're saying to you. Next, eliminate distractions. Put that phone away. Don't look away if something else is happening over there. I don't care what's going on over there, or over there. Keep your attention focused on theirs. I know it's really hard not to look over there where something is a lot more interesting, but trust me, keep your attention and your face pointed directly at the person you're listening to. Whilst they're trying to tell you stuff, sometimes it's hard to process everything that they're telling you. What I want you to do is pick out key words that they've been telling you. Not only does this force you to remember what they've been telling you, but it also creates talking points for conversation. If you need any more help with conversation, check out my 2 conversation videos right here. The cardinal sin of listening is interrupting. Everyone feels the need to give their 2 cents worth. So as a general rule, don't interrupt. Let them finish what they have to say. When they're done, pause for just a second, and then proceed to give your own opinion or ask them a question about theirs. When you're talking to somebody, don't be an arse. Everyone thinks that they know better. So the worst thing you can do when you're replying to somebody is, well, in my experience, this is the way that I did it. You did it wrong because I did it this way and it worked. Me. When you make their conversation about themselves all about you, you come across as a bit of an arse. So don't do that. Be considerate. Everybody hates being ignored. Remember, the underlying ethos of listening is to make the other person feel important because they're being listened to, that they are worthy of our attention. So don't make them feel bad, don't dismiss what they're saying, and don't change the subject, because that diminishes what they're trying to tell you. And to further cement that you've been listening to them, ask them questions about it. Regurgitate a point that they've made out, and then proceed to ask them a question about a related subject. So you were telling me that you rebuild engines in cars. I always wanted to know, how does an engine turbo work? Try these tips and I guarantee that people will find you to be a lot more of an engaging listener. If you found this video at all helpful, please be sure to like, share and subscribe. Download my free ebook here on my website, follow me on social media, and if you've got any questions or comments, you know exactly what to do.